Small update video. Prepped the case this weekend for the 50cc. Turned out nice. Got some China seals in it. They're real nice though. It's a thick, it's deep, just as deep as the other side. It's not a thin one on this side. It's the lips at the back side. Anyway, it's real nice. This bearing in here, so easy to just barely touch it. Like butter in there. Sore. But yeah, got my magnet out. Got to space it off a little bit. Because on this wide E case, I got to put those in there to come off so my magnet won't touch. And if I put a timing plate on here, I have to space my cover off because the cover won't fit. And I'll have to space this. I'll have to get me some washers instead of these. I'm going to use these, but I'd rather just get some washers. Then prep the new heat treated devil gear. We'll see how heat treated it is. It's just one of the 5-pack I bought. But sanded and buffed, and it's got a good compression fit. I hadn't put it on yet. I've tested it. Good bolt for easy taking on and off. You can get them a little shorter, but they're just so deep. Doesn't matter. But yeah, just a YD case. Balancing true to crank. Like butter in there. But yeah, grade A bolts. I went ahead and splurged and got the bolts just for the hell of it. Same China washers. But yep. PGM bearings. It's got the clutch stuff. I just got to adjust it and mess with it. They're down here. That's the one going in the Smollett case. You can't mess with that. But I'll either put this one in there. I got to adjust it some. Hold on. I got to get this bearing off and then mess with this adjustment a hair bit. And I'll probably use this, even though I have the old stock spring. These are the newer style stock springs. But anyway, it's coming. Looking good. It's burning free.